Want to add a spin wheel to your stream? Here's how to set it up in OBS. First, head over to WheelOf.Link in your web browser and click on the Create Your Wheel Now button. Customize your wheel however you'd like, enter your own text to go on the wheel and choose the colours. When you're happy with your wheel, scroll to the Links section and copy your WheelOf.Link URL. If you like, you can also check the settings first, and then copy a link with some different settings like forcing dark mode or turning sound on. Now open OBS Studio and add a browser source to your scene. Paste in the URL from your wheel. For the best look, head back to your wheel page and scroll down to the OBS overlay section. Hit copy on the CSS here and paste it back over to OBS. Resize and crop your wheel however you'd like and you're ready to spin. Click the Start Spinning button on your wheel to start a spin. The wheel you added to your overlay will start spinning automatically. In auto mode, the wheel will spin for a few seconds, then slow down by itself. If you are in manual mode, you will need to manually stop the spin when you're ready to reveal the winner. Ready to take your wheel further? Check out our guides on Stream Deck and Twitch integrations. Create your wheel and start spinning now. WheelOf.Link.